Welcome. If you want to connect to your Wi-Fi in your XIAOMI Mi TV stick, at the first you have to move on the right upper corner on the settings. After that we have to move for the network and the internet. And as you can see right now, we are able to pick network that we want to connect. For example, I'm going for this one. Right now we have to input password. Then click on this arrow if you input password. And right now we are connecting to the Wi-Fi. And as you can see, connection is successful. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.